Hello everyone, in today's video let's see how to install Antigravity. Go to browser and search for Antigravity and click on the first link that's been showing over here. And since mine it's Windows, so I'm just clicking on download for Windows, and based on your system requirement you install that. Click on that, and then here I'm going with Windows x64 and then just hit on save. It's downloading, so I'm just moving forward for this part. It's done. It's done now. I'm just opening over here. Then click on I accept the agreement, or if you want to read through you can. And don't change any settings, let it do with the default setting itself. And click on next. Create the desktop icon and don't unselect this one. Okay? It has to be there, so that otherwise it will really makes you very difficult at a later point of time, or else you will have to set the path by yourself. So just go with the default settings and then click on install. Click on finish. Now it has been installed. Now just click on next, start fresh. And if you want to import any of the settings from VS Code or Cursor, you can do so, but for now I'm just going with the fresh and I recommend that. And selecting the dark theme for now, and then click on next. For now I'm just going with review driven development, which is the recommended one, and then just click on next. Let it be with the default settings itself and sign in with Google. Select any of the account that you have, sign in, open Antigravity. Now it has started setting up our account, and as I would like to receive product updates, I don't want to. Click next. Yeah, that's it. Now the Antigravity has been installed and working in your system. And if you want to know more about how to use the Antigravity, then just hit on subscribe or like, and I will definitely come up with one fresh application that we will be building using Antigravity itself from scratch. Okay?